Hey everyone, Vinayak here. Does your phone not hold a charge as well as it could before? As I'm traveling, having my phone powered was of great importance. So, did the Ambrane power bank solve my problem? Let's check it out in this video. I purchased the Ambrane power bank off Amazon. As soon as I got it out of the cover, I noticed that it's made in India. That's nice. The model is PP20 and it uses a lithium polymer battery and has a 20,000 mAh capacity. Behind the box, we have the features listed out such as 20,000 mAh capacity, Type-C input for charging, compatible with dual phones, you can charge two phones at the same time. Then you have the LED charging indicators and it comes pre-charged so it can be directly used out of the box, which is great. Let's open this up. First, we have the power bank on top. Included in the box is a carrying pouch which helps protect the device. Also included is a micro USB charging cable. The pouch has the Ambrane logo on the seam. Let's get to the main device now. I loved the styling of the power bank. Even though it's black, the two tones, the main body matte and the connector side glossy, looks really nice. The main body has a rubberized finish, making it grippy, which is nice. On the top, we have LED indicators which on clicking the silver button display the current level of battery in the device. Their promise of it being ready for use is true as indicated by the 4 LEDs indicating full power. Connectors wise, we have the micro USB cable for charging, USB-C for charging only and 2 USB-A output ports. The rest of the device has nothing on it except for maybe the warranty void if removed sticker and the details at the back. So at the back we have the details which are model PP20, capacity 20,000 mAh, input 5 volts 2.1 amps and output 5 volts 2.1 amps. Also included are the instruction manual, a product catalog and warranty card. The pouch is of real good quality and the power bank fits snugly within. A drawstring is used to seal the device in. Performance-wise, this power bank saved me quite a number of times. As I was traveling abroad, the necessity of my phone having power was very important. Using Google Maps and navigation, needing to hail a cab via an app on the phone made the Ambrane power bank an indispensable companion. It lasted me the entire 5 days with power remaining during my trip without needing to charge it. And I connected it to my phone only when my phone reached 30% power. So that's why it lasted that long also, I guess. I used the S9 Plus and I have tried quite a lot of power banks earlier which could not provide enough power as much as the phone was draining. This power bank managed to charge my phone while I was using it is something that made me really happy. This power bank sadly could not fast charge my Galaxy S9 Plus, which is the Exynos version. I'm not sure if it can fast charge a Snapdragon version. The Usbc port is for charging up the power bank. So sadly, there is no USB power delivery support, which is surprising as they already have the port on the device. Maybe they added the USB-C support as most of the phones nowadays have migrated to USB-C and then there will be no requirement to carry an extra micro USB cable. The power bank is also available in red. The link to both the variants will be in the description. Overall, I would totally recommend the Ambrane PP20 power bank. It works really well and looks stylish too. If you have any questions, do mail us at tech@talkingstuff.net or you can WhatsApp us at 96525 78833. Thank you for watching and see you all next time. Make sure to like this video and also subscribe to the channel. Also make sure to click on the notification bell to be informed when new videos are added.